Do you want clean air in your home and avoid humidity and mold problems without opening the windows and without wasting energy?
With Ecocomfort Plus, all of this is possible. Inside the package, you will find the ventilation unit, powered at to 3.0 vac and equipped with a filter. The ceramic heat recovery unit, which recovers the heat from the indoor air. The extendable duct, up to 58 centimeters, to adapt to any wall thickness. The remote control, and the external grille. An accessory for reducing external noise is also available, particularly recommended for homes in urban areas. Installing Ecocomfort Plus is quick and easy. It takes just 40 minutes to complete the job. No configuration required. It's ready to use right away. Ecocomfort Plus operates autonomously to ensure the highest air quality and the ideal humidity level, even in rooms like bathrooms and kitchens, preventing mold formation on walls. Thanks to its integrated sensors for temperature, air quality, light and humidity, Ecocomfort Plus not only eliminates water vapor, but also ensures healthy air and optimal comfort for the well-being of your entire family. With Ecocomfort Plus, you renew the air and permanently eliminate humidity and mold problems. The new Ecocomfort Plus. Easier to install, simpler to use,